Welcome to our channel. Today we have an amazing recipe for making pastry dough. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Hello and welcome. To prepare today's dough, we will need 1 cups of milk, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and half a tablespoon of yeast. Let it sit for a while to rise. Then add 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of oil, and mix everything well. Add 3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix the ingredients and add flour gradually until the dough forms, then let it rise well. In a tray, place some Nutella chocolate and put it in the freezer to firm up. Once the dough has risen, cut it into equal pieces for easier shaping. Roll out the dough into circles, place 2 pieces of chocolate inside, and shape it like a butterfly. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Then, roll it out into a circle, brush with butter, add the filling, and seal it. Cut with a knife, fold the edges into the center, and twist the cut parts. Finally, decorate and seal. If you liked the recipe, don't forget to like and share the video. 10 tips for preparing and perfecting pastries. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients. Measure ingredients accurately. Allow the dough to rise properly. Knead the dough well for a smooth texture. Use the correct baking temperature. Experiment with different shapes and fillings. Let the dough rest after shaping. Use a clean, floured surface when rolling out the dough. Avoid opening the oven during baking to prevent air from getting in. Let the pastries cool slightly before serving. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and give it a try at home. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Thank you for your support, and see you in the next video, God willing.